Hello and welcome to another pipe presentation video. Today we're having a closer look at a Dutch estate Big Ben Commodore series. Smooth finish Rhodesian shape number 470, unfiltered with a stinger, mild scuffing around rim and some minimal scuffing on bowl. Overall still close to mint. Let's have a closer look. Inner edge is nice and clean without burns or darkening, as you can see, but you can already notice that scuffing on a rim on the outer edge. Maybe pipe was dropped on the floor or something. Small dent on stinger, as you can see. Or maybe, actually it was maybe made like that. Not sure about the design. No bite marks. Slight color loss in logo, but still visible. Great condition overall. These might be just this might be just the design of it. Shouldn't affect smoking in any way, of course. So, natural finish, simple Rhodesian shape with some scuffing. Of course, price was reduced due to the scuffing, and it's still a handsome looking pipe by Dutch Big Ben. That's all for this short presentation. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.